Murres only attack from beneath, trapping the fish against the surface. But they push the herring within range of the gulls. It's a feeding frenzy. The table is set for the mightiest predator of them all. The humpbacks have reached their feeding grounds.